Good morning, my dear students. This is the Unit 2, class number 11, and the topic is secondary market concepts. And the subject is financial markets, institution, and services. My dear students, in the previous class, we have already discussed regarding the market. Means market is divided into two parts. One is money market, another one is capital market. In the money market there are different components are there. One is call money market, commercial bill market, treasury bill market. Another one is the certificate deposits, commercial paper, and interbank participation, and repo instruments also. These are the money market instruments. Another one is capital market. My dear students, capital market is divided into two parts. One is new issue market or primary market, or that is called as a fund raising market. Another one is secondary market. But today's class is for the secondary market. Secondary market means it is a market where all listed stocks or listed shares are to be transacted. Transacted means it can be purchased and sold through the different intermediaries or brokers. That particular place, that particular market is called as a secondary market, and that is the other name is the called as a stock market, and also you may called as that is stock exchange. My dear students, in a particular secondary market, similarly, the investor buy and sell the securities which are already owned. Already owned means the particular securities are to be traded, securities are to be purchased and sold in the particular market, and this type of market is a very old securities also are to be traded, or listed securities are to be traded, or securities may be purchased and sold continuously among the investors. And that particular market is also called as a stock exchange. It is freely transferable of the shares, and continuous evaluation of securities traded in the particular market. My dear students, as you know, in the different newspapers there are some of the securities informations are to be covered. One is opening of the particular price, script price, closing script price. Another one is highest on the day, lowest on the day, and the last 7 days what is the position or what is the change of the securities prices. That type of continuous evaluation of securities traded in the this type of particular market, that is called as a stock market, that is called as a secondary market, that is called as a stock exchange. My dear students, if you talk about stock exchange, there is a two words are there. One is stock, another one is exchange. Stock means it is a fraction of capital, or you may call it as a fully paid of shares is known as stock. But the question is, what is share? Means the capital of the company is divided into smaller number of units is known as share. But fully paid up shares means application money, allotment money, first call and final call money can be paid by the particular investor. That type of investment pattern, fully paid up payment of the particular scrip, particular share, particular type of fund payment, that is called as a stock, so that it is called as a fraction of capital of the company. Another one is exchange. Exchange means here the exchange does not in terms of purchasing and selling something. It is also a place where the particular purchase and sold can be carried out. That is called as exchange. Exchange means in terms of purchase and sold, it may be called as a transaction, or it may be but in a commodity wise you may call it as a cash transaction or credit transaction, but here purchasing and selling something, or purchase and selling of shares, purchase and selling of debenture, bonds, scrips, that type of any company, corporation, private as well as public, as well as government, central government, state government, any of the sectors shares can be transacted at a one place, and that place is called as a stock plus exchange is equal to stock exchange. My dear students, the definition are two definitions are there. One is according to Securities Contracts Regulation Act 1956, SCRA Act. What it says? It says it is an association or organization or body or individual, whether it is incorporated or not established, for the purpose of assisting, regulating and controlling the buying business of buying or selling, dealing in securities. That is the one definition of stock exchange. It means a individual, a body, a organization, a corporate, a association which is incorporated or not, or the purpose of assisting, regulating and controlling the buying and selling or dealing the securities through the brokers and through the some intermediaries. This is the definition which is defined by according to the Securities Contract Regulation Act 1956. Another definition is according to Hastings. It is a stock exchange or securities market comprises the places where buyers and sellers of the involved with the stock and bonds and representative who can undertake the particular transaction involving the sale of securities. These are called as a particular stock exchange definition by the Hastings. Means it's the market where the buyers and sellers of the stocks or bonds and their representatives undertaken the transaction involving the sale of securities. That is the another definition according to Hastings. My dear students, the next concept is that is called as what is the importance of secondary market. Thus, first importance, it is a good indicator of the economic condition and it can value the company. Indicator of a economic conditions means it can suggest the boom and recession of the economy, inflation and deflation position of the economy, and what is the financial status of a Indian capital market. It can says, and it is also helpful for the valuing a company from economy according to the supply and demand of the share, determining the prices. Means the price can be determined according to demand and supply, and it also ensures liquidity for the investors. Liquidity can be maintained through these type of secondary market, because it can be these type of market can be encourages to the investor who easily to buy or sell the securities with the prospective time limit is there, so that liquidity can be maintained. It gives also chance to idle money into use of or it earns the some return. Means it is a one of a platform through which the return can be generated, through funds can be accumulated, or the or return means in terms of dividends can be generated, in terms of interest can be generated. Means the ideal money can be converted or can be transformed into some kind of return can be generated through this type of market is called as a secondary market. My dear students, another importance is it helps the company to monitor and control the public perception. Public perception means why the particular company's performance, particular company's evaluation can be perceived by the public, can be it is through which it can be easily trace out how the company runs and how far it is benefits to the particular investors. These are the coverage of the importance of the secondary market. My dear students, If you talk about secondary market, it is divided into two. One is stock exchange, another one is over the counter market, or maybe sometimes you may call it as a OTCI. OTCI, over the counter market or over the counter of exchange, maybe you may call it. Means there are two types of markets are to be involved. One is stock exchange, another one is over the counter market. But question is stock exchange. We have to discuss one by one and later on periods. But stock exchange generally in India, two types of stock exchange are to be a greater player in the financial market. One is National Stock Exchange, another one is Bombay Stock Exchange. National Stock Exchange NSE, Bombay Stock Exchange BSE. Among these stock exchange, the Bombay Stock Exchange is the oldest one, and after a some period, the particular National Stock Exchange can be evolved and National Stock Exchange can establish. But question is, over the counter of market means those stock exchange, those shares which are not listed in the particular stock exchange like NSE or BSE or any other regional stock exchanges, the according to different strict guidelines, or for some of the requirement does not fulfill the particular type of stock exchange, these type of companies scripts, companies share, or these type of companies are to be listed in the over the counter market, and the stocks are to be traded in the over the counter market. Or the smaller companies which cannot meet the exchange requirement of these big stock exchange, means NSE or BSE or some of the regional stock exchange, formal stock exchange may be called as a formal stock exchange. These type of exchanges, stocks are which are not listed, and these type of shares are to be transacted at a one place, at a one covered under one purview, that is called as a over the counter market. Means it is a bilateral, one type of bilateral contract where two parties are involved, investor and dealers, and they can transact in a particular small type of companies are to be shares are to be or scripts are to be traded in a particular market, that is called as a OTCI or over the counter market. This is a very important concept of over the counter market. But the question is, what are the two parties in a market participation in the secondary market? There are generally two parties are there. One is buyer, another one is seller, or maybe called as a bull and bear concept is there. Another one is there, that is called as the intermediaries. These intermediaries who can take a participation among the buyers and seller through which the transaction can taken place. We have to discuss in later on classes regarding the who are to be called as a broker and what is the qualification of broker, and details regarding the types of broker and later on classes. But generally two parties are there, buyer and seller and intermediaries, or you may be called as some of the bull and bear concept. Next one is, what are the different major stock exchanges in India? In today's date, if you talk about stock exchange in India, the Bombay Stock Exchange is at in operation. National Stock Exchange is NSE, which is established in 1992. Bombay Stock Exchange, which is established in 1875, which is the oldest stock exchange. Another one is Calcutta Stock Exchange CSE 1998, and Metropolitan Stock Exchange MSE in 2008, and India International Stock Exchange India INX, that is established in 2017, and NSE IFSC Limited NSE International Exchange, which is established in 2016. These are the major stock exchange who are its operation in Indian capital market. But my dear students, generally 23 stock exchanges are there in previous days, but nowadays only 6 to 7 stock exchanges are in operation. But out of 23, three, one is Bombay Stock Exchange, another one is National Stock Exchange, another one is OTCI. There is stock exchange means for the smaller company OTCI, and Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange for the listed stock exchange of the particular scripts or bigger companies. And apart from these, 20 other stock exchanges are there in different parts of the country. These are called as a regional stock exchanges. But presently, if you see or if you look into this matter, that these 20 stock exchanges, these 20 regional stock exchanges are not operated at all in India because of stricter guidelines or strict guidelines of the SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India, as well as though there are different limitations are there through which they are not the fulfill the requirement of the exchanges. If you talk about these 21 regional stock exchanges, you see some of the stock exchanges which are these 20 regional stock exchange which are opted to exit in business, means they are closed in their business. One is Ahmedabad Stock Exchange 2018, Delhi Stock Exchange 2017, Guwahati Stock Exchange 2015, Jaipur Stock Exchange 2015, Madhya Pradesh Stock Exchange 2015, Madras Stock Exchange 2015, and OTC also. This is also stock exchange which are used in the smaller companies. It is also closure their type of business in 2015, and Pune Stock Exchange 2015, UP Stock Exchange 2015, and Vadodara Stock Exchange 2015, Bangalore Stock Exchange 2014, Cochin Stock Exchange 2014, Interconnected Stock Exchange in India 2014, Ludhiana, Bhubaneswar. The Bhubaneswar Stock Exchange you see 2005, it has existed in the particular market. Coimbatore Stock Exchange 2009, and Hyderabad Stock Exchange 2007, Magad Stock Exchange 2007, Mangalore Stock Exchange 2004, and Trivandrum Stock Exchange 2010. These are the 20 stock exchange which are stop their business or they are not fulfill the guidelines of the Security Exchange Board of India. But above all, if you see, if you close an eye, that two types of stock exchange always has an own its importance, that is called as a national stock exchange and BSE Bombay Stock Exchange. Among two, only Bombay Stock Exchange is oldest one. My dear students, this is the concept, overall concept of secondary market, and overall concept of how the particular secondary market, what is the importance of the secondary market, means maintaining liquidity and also transactions. These are the some of the concepts are covered under the secondary market. Thank you. If you have any question, you can ask.